come today in front of me Oppo A1K, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and in the search pool enter the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app and here click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see, here we got the temperature of our battery, that's 29 degrees right now. Also got here more and other information about the level of our battery, the health, the capacity, and the model of our device, an Android version, and more other information. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.